Today I am going to teach you how you are going to capture multi-screen using OBS Studio. I have installed OBS Studio. Under the source you will get the plus sign option. You click on that plus sign, then you will get the option display capture. If you create you can give any name, like I am providing display capture 3. If you click on OK, then you will get the option that capture mode. If you select Windows 10 and display the resolutions, it will capture your whole Windows. See, you are able to see. Now if you just go to open the browser, and if you type google.com or any another, if you want to open other like test or anything, whatever, again google.com, then it will automatically capture all the multi-screen. Another thing, I have used the hotkey to start and stop the recording. If you want to set the hotkey, for that you have to go to the file, go to settings, and then you will get the option for the hotkey. See, I have set the start recording hotkey as a Y and stop recording as a X. So if now currently I press Y, that's why it is recording my whole screen. Now if I press the cross, it will stop recording. So thank you for watching my video.